You could have the best video in the world, but if you do this one thing wrong during upload, it can be game over. I didn't believe it matters this much until I made a change and my video blew up. And as you can see, it went from a low click-through rate of around 5% to an insane click-through rate of 21%. And so far, got over 1.2 million views. So if you apply what I'm about to show you, you may not get 1 million views extra like me on your next video right away, but you could still go from this to this. Now, this is not about your editing. It's not about your thumbnail. It's actually something that I dislike a lot, but it works, and it works very well. And I think most small channels mess this up because not because they're lazy, but because no one told them that this was even a thing. I mean, take a look at this. The tweet "eat less protein" got almost 3 times more views than the tweet "eat more protein." And now check this. This tweet got almost 5 times more views. And lastly, we have this one too. Now, I'm asking you, what do all of these outlier posts have in common? They all have a negative, like fear-based or even rage-baiting angle to them. But the same happens not just on Twitter, it also happens on YouTube search. For example, this video of mine that got 5 million impressions coming from YouTube search. And here, as you can see, around 1900 people per month search on YouTube for the question, is fasting good? Whereas almost double the amount of people search for, is fasting bad? By the way, you can find this free tool in my Google Sheet below with over 70 free other YouTube tools. They are not sponsored, not affiliated, free link below. But the same effect, it not just happens on search and Twitter, but it also happens on the home feed, because people seem more likely to click and watch videos that trigger their fear response. I mean, just take a look at the last 4 videos that MrBeast uploaded on his channel. The danger-based, like fear of loss titles, outperformed the purely positive ones. But to be honest, that wasn't enough for me, because I care about truth. So I also found this MIT study on misinformation spread, which found that false negative headlines spread 6 times faster on Twitter. Lastly, I've also run over 1,000 title A/B tests myself, and every time the negative ones, the negative titles with the negative angle to them, they outperformed the positive angles by far. And I mean, it makes sense, right? Would you click, like which video would you click on earlier? This one, how you can grow to 1,000 subscribers? Or this video with the title, why you are not growing to 1,000 subscribers? Even if it's the same video, I'm more likely to click and watch this video for longer. And the same applies to this video that you're watching right now, and the title. I'm not sure which title I will use, but would you click on one upload mistake that fucks small channels, or one upload tip that grows small channels? Exactly, right? You're much more likely to click on a video that triggers your fear response rather than a video that triggers your sunshine and rainbow response. And news channels like this, I think, are the perfect example. Even though I hate these type of videos, there's a lot to learn from the psychology they use to get views. And comment the word views below and I will send you a list of even better channels with titles and thumbnails that I use for inspiration and that you can use to blow up your videos, like mine. And by the way, talking about thumbnails, after designing over 1,000 thumbnails myself manually, I've created this free thumbnail pack with templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. Free link below. But to go back to the title, what can you learn from all of my yapping? Well, before you upload your next video, ask yourself this, or ChatGPT this question. I've hidden it because if you comment the word views below, I will also, besides that list of inspiration channels, I will also send you the advanced prompt that I used for videos like this, that you can use to create insane click-through rate titles. Just make sure that your video still contains truth, or do what you want. That's at least what I care about, because I see less point in going viral if you're spreading untruth, because you can go viral once with less returning viewers, or keep going viral with a returning base of returning viewers that keeps growing. All of that being said, if there was one important setting that I wish someone warned me about on YouTube, it is this. I lost a lot of views and money by not knowing it sooner. I talk about it in this video. See you there, or in my strong emails. Yeah, even stronger than this guy. Because in my emails, I share things like how I got this gift from Google. You want that, don't you? But also YouTube secrets like this, where you can change your face for a Studio Ghibli version in your thumbnail and get a significantly higher click-through rate, as you can see. So read my free emails that you receive when you access my free thumbnail pack or Google Sheet. Talk soon.